Welcome to this step-by-step guide on building your very own DIY passenger plane. In this video, we'll break down the process into manageable steps, ensuring you understand both the technical aspects and safety requirements. Let's dive in. Every great project starts with a solid plan. Begin by drafting your airplane design. Use CAD software to create detailed blueprints, focusing on the fuselage, wings, and tail. Ensure your design meets all safety and regulatory standards for experimental aircraft. Next, source high-quality materials. You'll need lightweight aluminum, composite materials, and durable bolts and fasteners. Purchase an aircraft-grade engine suitable for your design. Don't forget to invest in essential tools like rivet guns, drills, and measuring instruments. Start by constructing the fuselage, the central body of your plane. Follow your blueprints to assemble the frame using lightweight aluminum. Secure the structure with rivets and ensure all joints are tightly fastened. This is the backbone of your plane, so precision is key. Move on to the wings. Attach spars and ribs to create a strong internal structure, then cover them with lightweight composite material. Proper wing design is crucial for lift and stability, so double-check all measurements. The tail assembly includes the horizontal stabilizer and vertical fin. These components help with control and balance during flight. Secure them to the fuselage according to your blueprints, ensuring proper alignment. Install your aircraft engine and propeller, following the manufacturer's guidelines. Double-check all connections, including the fuel system and throttle controls. Safety first. Test your engine before attaching it to the plane. Set up the cockpit with essential instruments like altimeters, airspeed indicators, and GPS systems. Carefully route the wiring, keeping it organized and secure. Proper instrumentation is vital for safe operation. Now it's time to put all the pieces together. Assemble the plane and conduct a thorough inspection. Check for any loose connections, alignment issues, or potential safety hazards. Before your plane can take to the skies, it must undergo rigorous testing. Conduct ground tests to evaluate the engine and controls. Once you're confident in its performance, seek certification from your local aviation authority. Start your journey today. Begin with a small project to build your skills and join a community of aviation enthusiasts for support. Let us know in the comments what inspired you to take on this ambitious project or share your progress with us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY projects. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Good luck and happy building!